Hey guys, welcome to Easyfix. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to rank Fiverr Gig on first page. Ranking your gig on the first page of Fiverr can significantly boost your visibility and increase your chances of getting ordered. So here's how you can make it happen. So the first step is optimize your gig title and description. So craft a compelling gig that actually represent your services. Now the second step is to choose the right keywords. For that you have to identify the keywords related to your gig's niche and then use those keywords in your gig title, description and tags to improve its visibility in Fiverr search results. Now the third step is to optimize gig tags. For that you have to select specific tags that accurately describe your services. Now moving to the step 4, which is about competitive pricing, you have to set your gig pricing competitively based on market research and the value you provide. You can also promote your gig outside of Fiverr through social media, professional networks, and other marketing channels. By following these steps and staying proactive in promoting your services, you can increase your gig visibility and rank it on the first page of Fiverr. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.